at the Americana at Glendale. I'm at the Belif House of Jelly, and it's an interactive pop-up. So there's a lot of things going on. You can go and try all the products. There's like games to play. You can take pictures, and they're launching their Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. So you can get a bunch of samples here. It's only here in Americana on Mother's Day weekend, so definitely check it out and check out the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. So let's go check out inside.
I got a bellyache.
Moisturizing balm. This one is designed with ladies' mantle. That's the main ingredient in this one. It looks a little something like this, but it's naturally anti-inflammatory, natural antioxidant as well. So it's amazing if you want something a little bit more lightweight. The moisturizing balm. I'll give you a feel this one. So this one is going to be more of like your richer textured cream. It has a main ingredient called comfrey leaf. It looks a little like this. It's naturally detoxifying and hydrating for the skin.
We're trying this cleanser here. So put it on here. It's a jelly-based cleanser. And it hydrates your skin. You feel that it also removes makeup. Try that as well. And it doesn't foam up too much, but it's really soft because it rolls on to remove all those impurities. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Right? Feels nice?
Yeah.
You're doing that.
Thank you so much.
No problem. So for doing this, we are also giving out a free sample.
Ooh, free samples. Yay. Thank you so much. So what do I do?
It's like Tetris, you just match the light colors. This starts, this fires, and this aims.
Ooh. So this aims. Oh no. I'm like really bad at aiming. Okay, cool. Thank you. I got a stamp.
Gel-like texture, very light, and then as a souvenir, we're letting you guys, decorate your own slime.
Yay! These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Isn't it fun?
Well,
today you get to decorate it. See how when you sync them? Let me show you how they look like.
Yeah, my bag.
Yeah. That's awesome. Ooh, I love these.
This is just jelly slime. Take them and enjoy
Yay. Got my second stamp. Here. So I just got back from the Belif House of Jelly pop-up at the Americana in Glendale, and I got so many cool stuff. Check it out. So in this pouch I received this is a pop socket, pore cleaner bubble foam, the True Cream Aqua Bomb, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, Moisturizing Eye Balm, Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask, Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, and they actually made the pop-up to launch this product. So I'm going to try all of this product for you. So if you watch till the end of the video, you get a chance to win all of this product in this cute bag, or I can give it to you, send it to you in this cute box as well. And I also got this slime thing. It's super cool. I'm gonna be playing with this slime like all day tomorrow, like a 13-year-old I am. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside and I'm going to try on all of these products for you. But first I'm going to tie up my hair so I can start washing my face. So if you know me and my 10-step Korean skincare routine, I always take off my makeup with either makeup remover or makeup remover cleaning cloth. But they said that I don't need to do any of that. I don't need to take my makeup off. All I have to do is just wash my face with the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. So that's what we're gonna do. You can see I have a full face of makeup on. We're gonna test to see if it really does gently removes makeup and impurities. So I'm super excited to try this. Alright, okay, so it's so new that I have to take this seal off. Whee! I'm super excited. Okay, how to use. I'm reading directions. How to use. Take a penny-sized amount of this product in your palm and lather with water until jelly forms foam, and then massage gently all over face, avoiding the eye area, and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use daily, morning and evening. Okay, so taking a penny size. Whoa, is this a penny size? Okay, and I love this because it smells like ginger. Moment of truth. I think it does a really good job of removing my eyebrow makeup as well as my eyeshadows and my foundation. It feels really refreshing. So the cool thing about this product is that it helps to hydrate the skin while washing away dirt and makeup, which is really important for me because I have really dry skin, and so I'm always trying to find like any type of cleanser that doesn't like make my skin go dry. So I really like it. So the second thing I like to apply is the moisturizing eye balm. I'm going to put some eye cream under my eyes and around it. I don't want to get wrinkles, so definitely use your eye cream in every part of your skincare routine. So they told me the difference between the moisturizing balm and the Aqua balm. You're supposed to use the moisturizing balm during winter because it helps retains moisture for longer. In winter time, my skin tends to be like even more drier than it usually is. So it's good to know to use the moisturizing balm during winter time, and then use the Aqua balm during summertime. And it's like spring going to summer, so I'm gonna use the Aqua balm. Whee! Actually, you know what I want to do is that I'm gonna use half of my face with the Aqua balm and half of my face with the sleeping mask, so I can show you the difference and how it feels. So on my left face, I'm going to use the Aqua balm. Whee! On my right side of the face, I'm going to use the sleeping mask. So it looks like this. And the texture is like jelly pudding. It's called the Aqua Balm Sleeping Mask Jelly Pudding Mask. The texture is like heavier than the Aqua Balm. So, which makes sense because it is for, you know, it's supposed to help you throughout the night, which makes sense. So, on my right side, I have the sleeping mask, and you can see it's like glistening more. And then on my left side, it's like more lightweight. The Aqua Balm is more lightweight, and yeah. Actually, what I'm gonna do is just gonna put some on my left so that it can have that intense hydration feel to it. And that is pretty much it. So after I went to the House of Jelly, I went to Sephora. I got more products in here. I got the Aqua Balm, the jelly, and the sleeping mask. I also got the Aqua Balm Mist. So, let me see. It's just so, I love it because it smells like ginger and it's so refreshing. And also got the Pore Cleaner Bubble Foam. So I'm actually going to try all of these products in my IGTV video. So this is the end of my video. Make sure to check out the description box below for information about the giveaway. I just want to share all of these products with you. Anyway, see you next week.